Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to show you how you can set up your WhatsApp business and use some of the features that just came with it. All right, now in WhatsApp has updated the app severally, and in the new WhatsApp business app there are a lot of features that are very beneficial for business owners. Now if you're a business owner and you're watching this video right now, I want you to take your time to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to show you how you can integrate all WhatsApp features and how you can optimize your WhatsApp business and set up your profile and set up your WhatsApp business in a way that it will be more engaging to your clients. Now in this video today, I want to show you 4 different things. I want to show you how you can set up your business profile on WhatsApp business. I want to also show you how you can set up your catalogs and arrange your product or services in a way that it will be more easier for your clients to go through. All right, it won't be okay to just set up your catalog and end up confusing your client when they are checking up your catalog, but it will be better for you to arrange your catalog in a professional manner so that anybody who visits your catalog will find it easy to find the product they are looking for. Now the next thing I want to show you is WhatsApp business label. All right, this is a feature on WhatsApp that a lot of WhatsApp business users are neglecting. Right, this particular feature is very useful and it has helped me a lot. You can use this feature to do a lot of things. I'm going to show you in this video. All right, the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to advertise your WhatsApp catalog, your WhatsApp business profile, and even your WhatsApp status from your WhatsApp to Facebook. All right, you can set up an advert. It is a new update on the WhatsApp business. You can set up an advert on WhatsApp and run your advert to Facebook. Right now, that's everything I'm going to show you in this video. Now if you want to learn all these things, you must make sure that you watch this video till the very end video. If you want to receive notification on videos like this in the future, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Now to go ahead, I'm going to take you to my mobile phone right now on my WhatsApp and show you how everything works. All right, now I want to show you how to use your WhatsApp business. If you are a business owner, this is how to use WhatsApp business. There are 4 things I want to show you in this video right now. I want to show you how to update your business profile on WhatsApp. I want to show you how to use labels on WhatsApp. I want to also show you how to set up your catalog and display your product in the best way and customize it for better interaction. And lastly, I will show you how you can set up an advert on your WhatsApp business and run it on Facebook. Now the first thing I want to show you right now is how to set up your WhatsApp business. All right, the first thing you need to do after installing your WhatsApp, you will need to update your information, enter your details, enter your name and all this stuff. But after that, you can then come over to your WhatsApp to set up your profile again. So right now I want to show you how to set up your profile and a lot of other things you need to take note of. Now if you want to set up your profile, you can either do it 2 ways. You can click here to come over here. You can see all the options right here: advertise on Facebook, business tools. You can see labels and all of that setting. You can also come over here and click. You can see business profile right now. You can see catalog and you can see advertise on Facebook. Now right now I want to go to business profile. I want to show you how to set up your business profile. Now for your business profile, there are things you need to take note of. You have the name of the business. If you don't want to use your own personal name, you can use the name of your business. And if you want to use your personal name, you go ahead to type in your name. You can click here to edit it, to type in your name and click OK. Now another thing you want to do on your business profile on WhatsApp business is to set up your banner image on WhatsApp. All right, now to set up your banner image is very simple, but you must take note of the particular size, because if you go ahead to upload any photo or any photo like that, it won't look normal on the banner. So to set up your WhatsApp banner image, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go over to Google Chrome. I'm going to take you to Google Chrome and go over to Canva to design. I will also show you the size you can use to design your WhatsApp banner image. So let's go to Canva right now. So we go to Canva right now. I want to design the banner image for this WhatsApp banner image. So now if you want to design the WhatsApp banner image, you must make sure that you don't add anything around this place. You don't add anything under this place. because your picture is going to cover that particular place. But you can add anything here, you can add something here, then you can put your call to action here and here also. So I'm going to go back to Canva. Now the size of the design, so you click here to add a new design, customized design. Then the size of the design is 1211 by 681 pixels. So you type it in here, 1211 by 681. So you click create new design. So once you create a new design, we're going to go with something very simple. We're going to go with something very simple right now. So this is the new design. So this is the new design right now. I'm going to change the color of this design. So we change the color to something catchy. So I'm going to go with red, or you can click here to select the color you want. You toggle it based on the color you know that it will be attractive on your profile. So I'm going to go with this one right here. So we add text. Let us add text of my own. So once you add that, you must know that under this place, you don't add anything under this place. You put it here. So you design it. So let's change the font. Change the font. So you change the font. So now you can list what you do here. You can list call to action. I'm going to put a call to action over here. So put a call to action. It must not show over that place. Check out my. So this is just just to show you the size of the listing. So once you put it here, you put it something around here. That is something put it here. Once you drag it there, then you can also increase this one to make it more big. So you add more information that describe your business. AC expert YouTuber. Then you add the information. Then you can put it over here. You can add more features to your design to make it more attractive. So this is just to show you the size of your banner image for WhatsApp and how you can do the design. But remember that you must not add anything around here. Because the picture is going to cover it. So now I'm going to download it right now and go ahead to upload it. I'm going to download the PNG image. So now we go back here to update the information. Now once you are done designing your cover image, your banner image, you come over here to click on this one. You can add or edit profile picture. You can add or edit cover photo. So you want to change the cover photo, you want to edit the cover photo. So you come over to gallery and then we are going to upload. So you can see right now, this is the size, this is the exact size of the image. So you click on updated. You can see it right now. We still have a little here. You can come over, you still have this thing has been covered. Check catalog for more information. So you can go over to Canva again to edit your image and make sure that every information on your design is showing up. So let's come back to push that one up a little. So I'm going to push this one up a little like this. So once we are done with that, so we download again. So you come over and once we are done downloading, you come over here again to upload the new one. Add this one again. So we click done. Now we are good to go. Check catalog for more information. So we are good to go. So this is how to design and update your WhatsApp banner image. So I think we are done with this banner image. Then we'll go on to the next part. This is where you select your category. You select the category of your business. If you can't find your own category, you can just put in other businesses. Then you click on save. Now here, this is the description about your business. You are going to write detailed description about your business, and you need to make this more engaging and more attractive, and you need to go straight to the point. You don't need to beat about it, but just describe your business in a little way that will make your customers, your clients, or your prospect to understand what your business is all about. Now here you enter your address. You can click on this to enter your address as it is. Then once you do that, you can click save. Here you select your business hours. Now if you want to set your business hours, you can, if you open 24 hours a day, you don't need to, you click here. You can select open for selected hours. If you open for selected hours per day, you click on open for selected hours. Now you can then select the time you open in the morning and the time you close in the night. All right, so for the number of days you want to set it for. Now you can also add another set of hours. If you open within hours, let's say you open from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the night, in the afternoon, and you close after 12 p.m. Then you open again around 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the night. So you can set it up like that this way. Now another way you can set up your business hours, that you set your business hours in always open. That to say you are open 24 hours every single days. All right, but you can switch off some parts of the day. If you are not open on Sunday, you can switch it off. If you are not open on Saturday, you can switch it off. But if you are open on all these days, you can switch them on. Then another way you can set up your business hours is going for appointment. You can set up appointment only that anybody who see your business will know that they need to set up appointment with you before they can access you. But my own, I always set it up for always open, because anybody can message me any day on my WhatsApp and I can always deliver my business. All right, so I'm going to continue with this. Now the next thing you want to do is to add your email address. You add your business email. You must add your business email so that anybody who wants to contact you can easily get your email address and send you a message. Another thing you want to add is your website. All right, the website of your business. All right, you can click here you can add up to 2 websites to your WhatsApp business. You can add up to 2 websites. You have more than 1 website, so you set that up. You enter your website. Then once you are done with that, you are good to go. That is for setting up your business profile. Now the next thing I want to show you right now is how to set up your catalog. Now catalog is a feature on WhatsApp that lets you showcase your product on WhatsApp. Now with catalog, you can showcase as many products as you like, up to 500 product or services. You can display them on your WhatsApp business. Now there is another feature added to WhatsApp catalog where you can categorize your product and services. Right now, let's say you are running different services, or you are running different products. Let's say you are selling clothes, and you have baby's clothes, you have men's clothes, you have adult clothes. So you can, when you are setting up your product, your catalog, you can categorize them based on what you are selling. You can categorize baby's clothes under baby's clothes, categorize men's clothes under men's clothes. Now to do that is very, very simple. You just have to come over to your business, to these business tools. Then you come back to your catalog, and this is the catalog right now. Now if you want to set the category, before you can set a category, you need to add your product. First you need to add your items. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to add a new item. Now we want to add our first product. We want to add our first product right now. The first thing you want to do, if you want to add your product, you add a new item before you add collections. Right, you first of all need to add your product before you can categorize them. All right, now I already have my own here. I already done my own. Here are my own categories and collections for my courses. These are the review and proofs. These are the services I offered, and these are all the items. So for your own, you may have just your own as all the items without being categorized, but it will be better if you categorize your catalog under collection, so that it will be easier for people to browse through your catalog. Now I'm going to add a new item. You click on add new item. This new item is going to be baby clothes one. You add the price, then you add the description. You describe the clothes, you describe the product based on the features of the product and whatever. I'm just going to add a random text new. So you are going to click on more feed. You can add link. If you have a website where you display the product, you can add the link of the product to this particular field. Then you can add, if you have item code for the product, you can add the item code. So like this. So once you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to add the image of the product. You click on add image. So once you are done with that, you click on save. That is the first product we are adding. Then we're going to add another one, so that we are going to add up to 3 collections. Then we are going to add another one, so that we can create it into collection. Then you click on here to add the item code if you have it. Then you click on save. Then once you save that, we are going to add another product which is different from baby clothes. I want to show you how you can categorize your product under items and collections. Now you add another product which is different from baby's clothes. We are going to use a men's shoe 2023 model. Then you come over here to add other fields. Then let's select the image. You click on save. Now after adding your product, you've added your product. Now you want to categorize them into category based on what you sell. Now after adding your product, you are going to wait for some minutes for WhatsApp to approve your product. Right now, these are the product I just added. These are the product I just added: men's shoe, the baby's clothes, and the second one. Now you are going to wait for some hours for WhatsApp to approve your product, to approve your catalog, what you just added. Now you can go ahead to add a new collection. You click on add new collection. the collection name, what you want to name the collection. We're going to name this one baby's clothes, because that's what I want to put in under this category, depending on what you want to add in your own category. Click on next. We're going to select what we want to add. I'm going to add these two. These are the baby's clothes. You click on done. Now the collection is being reviewed. Now once you add your product to your collection, it will be reviewed like the catalog as well. Now we are done with that. We are going to add another collection that is for the men's clothes, men's shoe rather. So this is how you add your category, or this is how you add your product or your catalog, and you categorize them based on your own services. This is the best way to optimize your catalog so that your customers, your client can easily understand your catalog and understand what you say. You can see it right now. This is the new category, baby's clothes. You can see men's shoes. It has been categorized so that anybody who want to buy baby's clothes will easily come under this place to see all your products that is baby's clothes. Anybody who want to buy shoes will easily come under men's shoes and see the shoe. Instead of them to be scrolling through all your items, it would be better for them to view them according to the category. This is the best way to add your catalogs and optimize your catalog for WhatsApp. Now we are done with catalog. The next thing I want to show you right now is label. How to use your label on WhatsApp. Label on WhatsApp are a way of you to categorize people who message you on WhatsApp, your clients, how they message you. You can categorize your new customers. You can categorize your former customers using labels. And one important thing about labels is that anybody who you added under a label, you can send them a broadcast message. And before you can send them a broadcast message, you must make sure that this person have already saved your contact and you've saved their contact, because if you send a broadcast message to them, it will not be delivered if they don't save your contact. So to use labels, you are going to come over here. You click here. No, you come over to chats. You click here and click on labels. Now these are the labels right now. You can create a new labels, or you can use any of this if what you want to do is in line with any of this one that is here. But I'm going to create a new label. I'm going to use 2023 customers. So you click on OK. Add people to your label. You are going to come over to any of your contact. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click this particular icon right here. You click on the icon. You click on the label you want to add them to. I'm going to add them to 2023 customer and click on save. I want to add another person. To click on this and click them and add them to 2023 customer. So anybody who you add to a particular label, you can see the color right here on them. You will know that they are 2023 customers. And you can edit your labels. You come over to labels again. You click on it. You can edit your label. You can change the color. You can edit the label name, and you can message customer. This is where you can send them a broadcast message. All right. So once you come over here, let's change the color. If you are not satisfied with the color of the label, you can come over here to choose the color you want. You can choose the color you want based on your own preference. Now we can send them a message. If you want to send them a broadcast message, just make sure that these people you are adding to your label want to send message to, make sure that they already saved your contact. So you come over here, you click on message customers, you select if you want to send message to all of them. All the contacts under your label, under the current label, will be selected. And note that you can only add 256 persons under a label. So all the contacts will be selected. And once these contacts are selected, you can go ahead to click on this one right here and type your message. You type your message. A broadcast list will be created for them. You type your message and send your message to them. So that is how you send them a message, and that's how you create your labels, and that's how you edit your labels and use your label to categorize your customers. Now the last part of this video right now is I want to show you how you can advertise your product using your WhatsApp and the built-in advertising feature on WhatsApp. Now if you want to advertise your product, there are two ways you can go about it. You can click here to come over to advertise on Facebook, or you come over here to click on advertise on Facebook. Whichever way is going to lead you to a page where you will set up the advert. Now you create an advert, and from the WhatsApp, the advert will be displayed to Facebook, and when it is displayed to Facebook, anybody who interacted with your advert will be directed back to your WhatsApp. Now you click on this one. you click on advertise. Now this is your first ad. Create your first ad. I've not created any advert on this my WhatsApp before, so you click on create a new advert, and then you click on get. You can click on, if you are satisfied with this image, you can click on get started, but we are going to choose another content. So you click on choose another content. Now there are many things you can use to create your advert on WhatsApp. You can use your newest catalog, right? The latest catalog you added, you can use that new catalog, or you can use your whole business. You can advertise your whole WhatsApp business profile. Then you can also choose a catalog item out of all your catalog. Select your catalog items, you click on next. You can select any of the catalog items you want to use, and you can also come back. We can also select if you have the photo in your gallery. Let's say you design an ad copy, and you want to use that instead of your catalog or your business on WhatsApp. You can also take a new photo to advertise, and you can also use your WhatsApp status. But currently I don't have any status, so once you are sure of any of these things you want to use, I'm going to use the catalog, one of my catalog. I'm going to use this one. You click on next. So the first thing you want to do is to add the description of your advert. Let people know what your business does or what you offer. Keep it simple and clear. So I'm going to do CAC business registration. So this is what I'm going to use. You are going to keep it simple. So this is the description of the advert. So it's going to show around here. So you can make it more appealing. So register business with see. So you click on. So I'm going to describe your product. So this is description will show over here. The description will show over here. So you click on next. So you are going to select this is your estimated reach based on the amount you want to use to run the advert, and the age or the age and the audience you are targeting. Now you can click here to set the amount you want to use for the advert. You can use as low as 500 naira per day. You can use 700 naira and 21 per day. You can use 1,800. But if you want to use a custom price, you can click on customize and type in whatever price you want to type. But I'm going to go with 500 naira. Then here you can select the amount of days you want to run the advert for. You can just toggle between the days. So you select the number of days. I'm going to go with 1 day. So once you are done with that, with your budget and duration, you come over to your audience. You want to select your audience. So improvement to ad delivery. We may deliver ads beyond your lookalike audience. So you can edit this particular one. You click on edit. You can select your the country you want to target. So to search for country and neighborhood or street, you can click here to search for whatever country. I'm going to target Nigeria, but if you want to target other places like Lagos, you can select any country, any state you want to advertise, but I'm going to go with Nigeria right now. So you select that, then you come over here to select the age range. So I mostly use 40, depending on what you're advertising. Yeah, so just adjust the age depending on what you're advertising and depending on your product. So you are going to select whether you want to run the advert to all gender, or you want to run the advert to only males or only females. So I'm going to go with all. So you come back. Once you're done with that, you come back and you come over here. So select this if your ad is about credit, employment, or housing. So you are going to neglect that. So once you're done selecting your budget and duration and your audience, you click on next. So this is your advert right now. So you are going to come over here. You can switch account if you have different ads account. So you can switch the account to a different ads account, but I'm going to use this particular ads account. So my prepaid fund is low, so let's just go ahead with that. So if you want to add fund, you can click here to add fund. So but I'm not going to add fund right now, so it will direct you to a page where you can add fund. So the next thing you want to do right now is to click on next. So you are going to review you are going to review the advert. So the reason why this one will not go right now is because my fund is currently low, right? So the fund is currently low. So if your fund is not low, then you are going to click on create ad. So once you click on create ad, your advert will be reviewed for within 24 hours and your advert will be approved. Then your advert will start showing to people on Facebook. Then anybody who see your advert and want to interact with you, they will just click on the advert and the advert will direct them back to your WhatsApp. So that is everything about this video for today. So you can easily edit your business profile on your WhatsApp, and you can set up your catalog, set up your labels, and advertise your product or your catalog or your status or your WhatsApp status on Facebook to get new clients and more sales. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more content like this, and also I dropped a link in the description below. If you have any content you want me to create a video on, you can easily click on the link and suggest your content ideas, or you write just send me whatever your request you want of the video you want me to create, and I will work on this particular video. Once again, thank you for watching this video.